afternoon, Jeffrey. What are we doing?
Going on a cruise right now.
It's a beautiful day in Laos. Hello everyone. We are going on the Mekong cruise right now. Cruise. We got it all to ourselves too.
Yes.
For 1 hour. So here we go. Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. So today's our last day here in Luang Prabang. But we don't leave until like nighttime to get on the sleeping bus. And so we had to check out of our hotel at 12. But the guy at our hotel is so nice that he's letting us like keep our luggage here, like, and just chill in like the lobby area and stuff. And he brought us some watermelon juice. Like, he's just so sweet. So if you guys ever come to Luang Prabang, I definitely recommend this hotel. It's really good service, really good location too, and it's just A+. Right, Jeff?
I agree with that statement.
Yeah. So we're just hanging out and waiting to go home. So next to our hotel is the Big Brother Mouse, and that's where local kids come practice their English. We have been there 2 times now, and we'll be going back 1 more time before we leave forever. So
No.
well, until we come back, which is we don't know when. He's going to construct his latte. Going on a sleeper bus. Are you excited? Good night. Alright, Jeff. See you in Vientiane. hello.
Hello.
Today is our final couple of hours in Laos, and while it was a great trip, I'm just super thankful to be going home now. We miss our babies so much, and our home and our routine and our bed. Every day Jeff's been saying he feels like a fatty, so
Oh yeah, eating too much food here.
yeah.
Way too much.
What else were we gonna say?
Can't wait to come back in hopefully April for P-Might.
Be my not might, because that means like stick. Okay, we gotta go. See you
0 minutes.
in our next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.